So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Alex and I decided to unboxing my 28 brand order from Louis Tomlinson's brand shop 28. So this is the box. It arrived yesterday in the morning and I'm honestly very angry at costumes because they ripped my box, so it looks a little bit horrible. I always wanted something from Louis Original, so I decided to order sleeveless hoodie 2 days before the year 2025 ended. So let's go open it with me. So here is it. It looks amazing, honestly. It looks amazing. And we are having the 28 sleeveless hoodie. 28. And also I love this because there is classic L and there is LT, and I love it so much because it's really from Louis Original and I love it so much. And I also having a lemonade merch. This sweatpants arrived around 3 days before, so I'm having the full outfit for Louis stop in Prague in April. So I'm finally having the whole outfit. And I also decided to record what I've got for Christmas because my previous video of unboxing 28 will be only 5 minutes. So I decided to do what I've got. So first of all, I got from my mom this matching ring and those bracelets. Also I've got watch. It's Xiaomi Redmi 5 Lite and they are amazing. I haven't got any problem with it. I also got a phone, but I'm recording on the new phone, so I can't show it. So I can show it like that. It's Samsung Galaxy A16. I also got from my mom Chester's shirt because I'm big fan of Linkin Park. So many years. So I've got Chester. From my friend I got this because I saw it. Louis had one, but with Calvin Klein, and there is not Calvin Klein, but otherwise I love it so much, so I'm wearing it so much. I also got Liam's sweatshirt. I've got one already in blue. And I also, from my mom, I've got a diamond painting of Liam, but it's already done. But I never saw any diamond painting of Louis, so I decided to order only picture on the wall so they can be together. And this first video would be short because I'm not used to it, and